big foodie, right?
Well, I have 4 children, so
You
I have
to be able to cook.
You know, try different things out for them, and I want them to grow up healthy and have a good palate. You know, to like.
Do you have any tips for moms? Actually, moms are constantly asking me how to get their kids to eat more vegetables or to try things. And I tell them, we'll get that later. And I always say, you know, ownership. Get the kids shopping and preparing the food with you. And it gives them a little self-esteem.
Have them shopping with you. But I also think, you know, when you start early, they just don't know any other way. So I don't make different food for them. They eat what I eat, what the grown-ups eat, the children eat. And if you don't, then there's nothing else. Sorry.
That's what my mom did too. My mom was the same way. My mom would, if we were very little, my mom would puree or mash up, you know, what the grown-ups had. But as we grew, this is what's for dinner. You're not going to starve to death. Eat it or don't eat it.
Exactly. That's how it is in my house.
I love that. You're hardcore.
And then the kitchen is gloved.
It's so funny, though. Today, we're all adult children now, you know. My mom, if we come home now and she's cooking for us, she will make 3 different things, each kid's favorite, you know, to try and coax us to come home more, I think.
Well, that is different, though.
Yeah, that's bribery.
But one thing that I started about a year ago, it was actually my New Year's resolution, because I always think, what can I do my New Year's resolution? And one was a year ago that I started doing smoothies for the children.
Nice.
So, you know, not to hide it, and they see everything that goes in it, but I thought, you know, if you start them off right during the day, I never know if they eat everything that's in their lunchbox, because it might go in the garbage, they might swap things.
Right.
I don't know, but if I see them have that smoothie in the morning, you know, with all the different fruits and everything, I just know they have already a good start to get them off.
Solution.